Continuing with our topic, Indian culture from the exchange between all this has become rich. Our cultural heritage has a very vast record of 5,000 years old, including all the art, architecture, sculpture from very olden times. Remains of Indus Valley civilization is an evidence on this. On seeing the remains of the figures of god and goddesses, humans, animals, and several toys, as well as sculpture of a bearded man and the statue of a dancer, one feels self esteem and pride in our cultural heritage. These cultural heritages are remains at some of the other places in India all over. So we are able to see these till date today, and we are proud of this our rich heritage. Further looking at the figure of a bullock or lion on an inverted lotus of Mauryan era, statue of Gautam Buddha in a meditative form, or the Kalkhand statues of Jain Tirthankaras, the caves of Ellora of Rashtrakuta dynasty, etc. By seeing this heritage, we feel proud, glad, and also respect for our cultural heritage. Many earlier saints, preachers, and many good people, those who showed people a way of living, such as Gautam Buddha, Jain, Mahavira, and other people also. They these people have the remains at various places all over, and we are glad to see those till date. Our cultural heritage accommodates palaces, buildings, sculptures, stupas, viharas, chaityas, temples, mosques, tombs, forts, and gates. Many historical places of our freedom movement like Sabarmati Ashram, Dandi, Bardoli, Wardha, Shanti Niketan, Calcutta, Delhi, etc., is also considered as a part of our cultural heritage. Besides language, script, discovery of zero, mathematics, calendar, astronomy, iron, literature, religion, Yuddha Shastra, chariot, political science, geology, botany, Vastu Shastra, religion, republic, judiciary, legislation, environment, protection, etc., are the important discoveries of India. As we know that we are having a very prosperous and glorious heritage, so we are also related with various subjects such as mathematics, astronomy, learning about the stars, planets, position, sun, moon. Further coming towards iron, said to be as the oldest metal, right from the Stone Age time. Literature, many arts and artifacts are being written from very ancient period as man learned to read and write. After that, religion. Various religions are being related to man, such as Hindu, Muslims, Sikhs, Parsis, Jews, Jains, Buddhism, etc. Again, we're coming towards the Yuddha Shastra, that a common man has a good education regarding with how to fight, or Yuddha Shastra means a very good knowledge of how to be in a moment of war or fight with any other person. Then political science, zoology, botany, Vastu Shastra, and these were written earlier in various languages and studied by various people. Today we are having the knowledge passed from them from generations to generations. And these were the very important discoveries of our India. Cultural heritage of Gujarat, a very small and simple topic. All the cultural places of Gujarat is being discussed over here. Places having cultural, legendary, and archaeological importance are Lothal, Dholka Taluka, Rangpur, Limdi Taluka in Surendranagar district, Dholavira, Kutch district, Rojadi or Srinathgarh, Rajkot district, etc. The places of pilgrimage are Victory Tower of Vadnagar, stone inscription of King Ashoka at Junagadh, Sun Temple of Madhera, Gate of Champaner, Rudra Mahal of Siddhapur, Mansar Lake of Viramgam, Julta Minara, Shaking Towers, Siddhi Sayyadni Jali Grill, temples of Hathi Seen, Shas- Shastralinga Lake of Patan, Rajmahal of Vadodara, Tomb of Mohabbat, further Mohabbat Khan, Parsi Agyari of Navsari are worth seeing places. Places having religious importance are Dwarkadish Temple of Dwarka, Sharadpit of Jagadguru Shankaracharya, Somnath Temple, one of the 12 Jyotirling, Ambaji in North Gujarat, Banaskantha district, Bahucharaji, Mehsana district, Ranchodrai Temple, Dakor, Kheda district, and Shamlaji, Aravali district, etc. Well-known religious, social, and tourism-oriented places in Gujarat are Polo Forest, Vijayanagar, Sabarkantha district, Kite Festival, Kankaria Carnival, Ahmedabad, Tanariri Festival, Vadnagar, Northern Dance Festival, Modera, Ranotsav in Kutch, etc. Further, tourist places of Jain and Buddhist. Jain and Buddhist religion prevailed in India. The preachers were the Jain preacher was Mahavira and Buddhist preacher was Gautam Buddha, who got enlightened, and he showed a path of peace and humanity all over the world. Continuing, consequently, Jain and Buddhist caves are seen at various places in Gujarat, Vadnagar, Taranga, Khambaliya, Shamlaji, Koteshwar, Talaja, Dhanak, Jagadia, etc. Now, a whole list of fairs of Gujarat is being given over here where people come and have a entertainment or enjoyment and pass this cultural heritages to generations to next generations, which is very religious in India, meant to be very religious. Varied culture of Gujarat is seen in many places. Fairs having traditional, religious, and social importance are held. Some important fairs among them are given below. The names of the fairs, the places, and the time of fair are being discussed in the textbook. Let us see. Modhera Fair is taking place in Modhera, Mehsana, which is observed in the third week of January. Then, Bahucharaji Fair, again the place is Mehsana, and it is observed during Chaitra Sud Poonam. Shamalji Thakurji Fair, it is observed in Shamlaji Aravali and during Kartik Sud 11 to Poonam. Bhadarvi Poonam Fair, Ambaji Banaskantha, Bhadarvi Poonam. Bhavnath Mahadev Fair, Girnar Junagadh, Magh, Vad 9 to 12. Tarnetar Fair, Tarnetar Surendranagar, first week of Bhadrapad. Bhadiyad Fair, Bhadiyad Ahmedabad, Rajab month date 9, 10, 11. Naklang Fair, Koliak Bhavnagar, Bhadarwa Vad Amas. Madhavpur Fair, Madhavpur, Porbandar, Chaitra Sud 9 to 13. Vautha Fair, Dholka, Ahmedabad, Kartak Sud Punam. Miradtar Fair, Unawa, Mehsana, Rajab month 16 to 22. Dang's Darbar Fair, Ahwa, Dang, Falgun Sud Punam. Gol Gadheda Fair, Garhada, Dahod, 5 to 7 days after Holi. Kartik Punam Fair, Somnath, Gir, Kartik Sud Punam. Bhanguriya Fair, Kwanth, Chota Udaipur, from Holi to Rang Panchami. Now, this is all the descriptions given about the Gujarat's cultural heritage. Coming towards the land of people, about our India. Let's continue with it.